How to access store settings in Hostinger Website Builder. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to access your store settings in your Hostinger website or store. So the process is going to be very simple and very easy. You're going to head over hostinger.com, sign in for an HPanel or the dashboard of your Hostinger, and then you're going to see this page. Now, what are we going to do? Is to head over directly to the left side of the screen, which is going to contain the websites. Then we're going to click on websites list. Now, what are we going to do is to set or click on the website that we want to modify. So basically in here, you're going to see the store management, which is going to be a compartment of your store, and it will lead you to the store settings. And also we have the button of edit website. Make sure first that you're going to have the Hostinger website builder, as you can see, logo in here. So now what are we going to do is to click on manage store. In case you do not have already a store and you have, for example, like this one, we have dashboard instead, we're going to click on edit website and then you're going to enter the website editor. Now we're going to add a store into our website. How we can do that? Very simple. We're going to head over to the left side of the screen. We're going to see here a cart with a plus sign, which is going to be named Add Store. Click on it, and then we're going to click on Add Store. Once you have clicked on that, you're going to save the management in here, and also you're going to update your website. Once you have updated your website, you're going to head over your Hostinger dashboard. Now, I'm going to head over the Hostinger dashboard, choose the website that we have put the modification to, and you're going to see that it has the button of Manage Store. So, we're going to wait, and here we have it. Now, we're going to click on Manage Store, and from here, you're going to get to the store settings. So, now we're going to wait for this page to load up. We're going to give our store a name, for example, Test Jack, and we are going to click on continue. Now what are we going to do is to check up for all of the management or the specific events that we can lead from here, like adding products, setting up appointments, and also creating discounts and categorize the products. Now what are we going to do is to click on settings and we are going to see the store settings, like the store details, the company information, the payments, the shipping, the checkout, emails, taxes, and invoices. So basically, here we have attended our goal, which is reaching our store settings. This is the store management in this section, or the upper version before, or not the version, but the upper items before the settings. But in case you are going to click on settings, you're going to see an extended menu, which is going to lead you for all your internal store settings. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.